Hey everyone, my name is Erica Gonzalez, and I am one of the product training coordinators of the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, we will be looking at how now clients are able to leave reviews via the client web app. I have arrived here in the client web app, and I'm signed in as the following client by the name of Janet. Let's go ahead and see how this leave a review looks like. I am going to go into my schedule, and from here I am going to go to my past schedule, Janet Lambs. Over here I see on Wednesday, June the 1st, 2022, Janet attended a personal training one-on-one session, of course at Moonlight Yoga Studio with the staff Ryan. And so right over here I am prompted, if I'm pretending to be Janet, to write a review. Let's click that. Wow, this pop-up window right over here to write a review. Exciting. And so here we can share about our experiences by selecting the number of stars. I am going to click 5 and write my comment of my experience of this service. Thank you so much for a great session. And we're going to submit that. There we go. Thank you for leaving a review. I can also share the review on social media via Facebook or on Twitter. With this improvement, now clients, anytime that they are prompted to leave a review or being requested to leave a review, scenario if they receive a direct URL via an email that's sent from the business, they will then be brought over to the client web app, sign in, and then be able to write the review with that pop-up window appearing as so. For businesses, this of course is beneficial because now they have more chances to be able to receive reviews from their clients, ultimately providing further marketing and promotion of their business so that other clients or potential clients of the business can see. We thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope to see you in the next one.